I'm Robert Hardesty, a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing here in Riverside, California. Today's topic is hair restoration of the crown area. Well, first of all of us lose hair, some faster than others, some in different areas. In men, it's usually the crown and then the frontal hairline. Sometimes they connect, sometimes there's a tuft of hair, sometimes the frontal hairline looks great. In women, there's a general thinning and often loss of the frontal hairline. So how do we do this? Well, we no longer use the strip method, where we take a strip of scalp, surgically excise it with a scalpel, then have to suture it up with sutures, take the hair and chop up the grafts. Now we use the very sophisticated, automated, follicular extraction technique and transplantation. We'll look at your hair density throughout the scalp. Then we'll go precisely to the back of the scalp where the hair is thicker and will always act like that hair, not like the hair where you've lost it. We'll then extract it using our automated system of individual follicular units. These can contain 1, 2, 3, and rarely 4 hairs per follicular unit. After we extract those through these pinpoint extraction sites, we take those hair follicles. We go to the magnifying glass. It's a microscope. It is a stereoscopic microscope where we now can look at the hair, preserve all of the hair follicle and the needed surrounding material. We then now have prepared the hair grafts. Then we look at your density and recreate the density that's missing by making small needle pricks the exact same size of that hair follicle. We precisely put in the hair follicles. For instance, if you had a colic back here that we could see, we'll actually do the angulation to the colic if you want, or if your hair's sparse. If you didn't want that colic, you'll let us know. We'll go ahead and restore the hair so this crown is now full, just like the size of your hair. This new technology, well, having now been perfected and used for about 10 years, is state-of-the-art. Follicular, extraction, automation, and transplantation. Thank you very much.